Thutha wa giikaro gia keheri-ini kwa ihinda ria mathaa matatu na maabithaa ugitiri kaunti-ini ya Narok, Minista wa maria maturigiciirie Keriako Tobiko augite ni mathondekete gikundi kiria gikuheana mwerekera wa uria mihang'o ino ya kuhamurithia andu igutabanio.
The importance of Mau is just too obvious, not just for the county, the region, the present generation, but future generations.
Tobiko ni arutite mukana muhiu kuri andu a ikiro ciothe, akiuga gutire mundu ukuhitukirirwo mihang'o-ini ino iria kaingi ihingicagwo ni kuingirio uteti.
Mau is not about politics. I don't care whether you belong in whatever of the groupings and formation, whether you belong in Tangatanga, Kieleweke, and whatever else you call yourself. I am not interested about that. We have a job to do, and the job to do is restore Mau.
Mihang'o ya gucokereria riri wa mititu igukinyanirio unyitaniri-ini na macukuru, kanitha o hamwe na ikundi itiganite mbere ya kimera kia mbura gikinyite.
They are going also to identify areas where we will come and establish tree nurseries, including at the locations, chief nurseries, in churches and public utility lands. We will come in here in the rains October, November, December and onwards to undertake massive tree planting activities.
Hindi ya mihang'o iria iriga ya kuhamurithia andu mutitu-ini wa Mau, makiri ma family ciatigirwo ikihoya uraro na rita riri family itanyihiire 10,000 nicio imurikitwo uthamia-ini uyu wa gucokereria riri wa mutitu wa Mau. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Gathoni wa Jihia.